Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to choose the best clan to join in Clash Royale. And I'm currently in this clan called Burn Oz, and I'm sort of getting a bit sick of it. There's a lot of inactive members. You can see all the red and that sort of yellowy orangey colour down there. So I'm sort of sick of it. So I've decided to leave this clan and search for a new clan. And before you can, in Clash Royale, before you can actually search for a new clan, you've got to leave your existing clan first. So I'll leave this clan, yes, and here you've got a section where all these different clans that you can choose come along, and each of these little boats is a clan that you can join. This is the main battle section. I'm in no clan at the moment, so if I swipe to the right, then all these clans will show here on the screen that I can join. And before you join a clan, you've got to sort of consider what is your aim in Clash, whether you want to whether you want to upgrade king levels, whether you want to win clan wars, when you want to be do you want to be in a family friendly or an aggressive clan, or do you want promotion to co-leader, or all of those, all of the above, I suppose. So you've got to sort of consider that first, and that'll help you decide on the clan to join. So I reckon this is the best part of it, is just picking one of these boats and having a look at the clan and deciding if that's the one you want to join. But if you've actually got a name in mind or something you want to sort of search more specifically, then click on the show button, and up here you can type in a name, and there's the advanced search section there, just like it was in the old versions. But I reckon that this selecting a clan from one of these boats is the best way to go. So it's good. We'll click on Ramen Theory. It's always good to make sure it's a local clan. I'm in Australia, and my location here is Australia. So that sort of means that everybody's awake at the same time, requesting cards, donating cards, all at the same time, which is usually better. It's always good to read the clan statement. Welcome ramen lovers from all around the globe. We're searching far and wide to find the perfect ramen. Got to catch them all. Okay, so and then have a look. Sort of search down here and see if there are a lot of inactive members. And yeah, right down the bottom, you've got all those reds. There's a lot of inactive members. The yellows and the reds mean that they haven't been active for a while. So I would not recommend joining that clan. So we'll click the red X, and we'll try another one. What about Aussie Esports? Location Australia. There we go. Looks like it's a family-friendly clan. There's no swearing. Free elder if you participate in the clan war. And so that looks pretty good. Okay, so we'll just swipe down and see if we've got any inactive members. And there we go. Okay, it's all pretty good. I can't see any reds or yellows under any of the names. Everybody's active. And under that little blue arrow then is the number of donations that people have made since in the last few days. So that looks all pretty good there. So that's a good clan to join. And it's always good with your when you're choosing a clan to search later in the week. So I'm doing this on a Saturday. Donations are reset on the Monday, so that gives you an idea then of how active that clan is. Obviously, if you're searching just after the donations are reset, the weekly reset, then you're not going to have a good idea. So it's obviously good to search later in the week. So that looks pretty good. Agree with the clan statement. It's a local clan, good donations, and no inactive members. So that's great. We'll join this clan. Okay, so I've joined a clan. And back. And there we go. Join the clan. And it's always good to have a quick flick through the comment section. And see if there's anything that you don't sort of agree with. Well, it's all pretty good. Sometimes you can see people getting kicked out there. Oh, there we go, wait tick. There we go, somebody's been kicked out. They're kicking out inactive members. That's always good to see. So that's that. Okay, well, I believe I've joined a pretty good clan. Very active. That's it there. And it's always good actually just there to look for the number of co-leaders. If you're interested in promotion to co-leaders, which one thing I didn't do is look and see how many co-leaders there are. There's a lot of elders. But a lot of elders, a couple of co-leaders, and yeah, there's only a handful of co-leaders. So obviously if you want to be a co-leader, then that's something you should check to see how many co-leaders are actually in the clan. So it looks like, your chances of being a co-leader in this clan is fairly low. Chance of getting to elder is pretty high, but co-leader is fairly low. So obviously if you want to be a co-leader, this would not be the clan for you to join. But I'm happy with elder, and so yeah, or member or elder, so I'm happy with this clan. Now another couple of things that I thought I should add to this video is that with the donations, you've got a summary up the top as well. You've got a weekly donation summary up the top. You've got an amount next to your individual clan members, and also you've got a total summary for the week so far up the top, and 5,000 so far. That's pretty good. Another thing to point out is required trophies. It's only for this clan, it's only 1,600. Which is not a lot. I'm on around 4,000 trophies, so 1,600 means that you're going to have a wide range of experience with the clan members. So you've got them from just over 5,000 trophies here, and then if you go right down the bottom, you've got a lot of people that are 1,000, 1,400, 1,600 trophies down the bottom. So yeah, so that's another thing to consider. I guess if you wanted to win clan wars, then you might be looking for a clan that had a higher number of trophies, or a trophy level that was closer to the number of trophies that you have. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you get to join a good clan, a good active clan that suits your needs in Clash Royale. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.